Hello and welcome to Jared Hendricks English. In this video, we're going to talk about would you rather. Rather is like prefer. So if you say would you rather, it's like saying would you prefer. So for example, if you say would you prefer to go to the park or to the zoo? You could say I would prefer to go to the park. Or you can use the contraction, I'd prefer to go to the park. You can also similarly say, would you rather go to the park or to the zoo? The answer could be, I would rather go to the park. I would rather go to the park, or with the contraction, I'd rather go to the park. Let's give another example. Would you prefer to eat tacos or burritos? You could say, I would prefer to eat tacos.
Would you prefer to eat tacos or burritos is the same as would you rather eat tacos or burritos. Now notice that after prefer, there's always to, prefer to. But after rather, there is not to. You just put the base form of the verb after. In this case, it's eat. Okay? You don't say rather to eat, you say rather eat.
One common place where you see rather is on the frames of license plates. Here are some examples.
I'd rather be dancing. I'd rather be flying. I'd rather be bowling. I'd rather be running. I'd rather be playing basketball. Mariah, would you rather watch Paw Patrol or Pokemon?
I'd rather watch Pokemon.
Would you rather eat tacos or pizza?
Pizza. I'd rather eat pizza.
Would you rather jump on the trampoline or play tag?
Jump on the trampoline. I'd rather jump on the trampoline.
Would you rather drive a Ferrari or a Toyota?
I'd rather drive a Toyota.
Would you rather drink a vanilla milkshake or a chocolate milkshake?
I would rather have a vanilla milkshake.
Isaiah, would you rather smell my armpit or smell my feet?
Smell the feet. I'd rather smell your feet.
As you wish.
No.
Would you rather take out the trash or wash the dishes?
Take out trash. I'd rather take out the trash. Would you rather never eat Thanksgiving meal again, or never open a Christmas present?
Ooh, good question. I'd rather never open a Christmas present again. I really want that Thanksgiving meal. That's some good stuff.